সুপ্রিয় শিক্ষার্থী বন্ধুরা, আসসালামু আলাইকুম। আজ আমি তোমাদের সাথে দশম শ্রেণীর দ্বিতীয় সপ্তাহের ইংলিশ অ্যাসাইনমেন্টের অ্যান্সার নিয়ে আলোচনা করব। তো চলো কথা না বাড়িয়ে শুরু করা যাক। ফেস্টিভ্যালস আর ফর এভরিওয়ান। 1 নম্বরে, দ্য মোস্ট কমন ফেস্টিভ্যাল ইন বাংলাদেশ: ঈদুল ফিতর, ঈদুল আজহা, দুর্গা পূজা, বুদ্ধ পূর্ণিমা, খ্রিস্টানস, পহেলা বৈশাখ, পহেলা ফাল্গুন, নৌকাবাইজ, 21শে বইমেলা, মে ডে, বাংলাদেশ ইন্ডিপেন্ডেন্ট ডে। এগুলা মাই experiences to take part in some event and festival in my locality. About 5 or 6 years ago, I celebrated my Pohela Boishak in my village, as this is the first day of the Bangla New Year. This is the public holiday. My whole village was in a festival mood. I saw the villagers' inspiration to start with renewed hope and inspiration on this day. I woke up early in the morning. Having a bath, I wore Punjabi and pajamas. Hence, during the last year in my madrasa premises, I take part in our Independence Day festival. Our madrasa arranged a cultural program on this day. The whole program was so impressive and it was a great festival in my life. 3 number, festival are for everyone. My justification for this statement is as follows. তো আমি যে রকমভাবে কালার পেন দিয়ে অঙ্কন করছি, তোমরাও এটা কালার পেন দিয়ে অঙ্কন করবা, তাহলে দেখতে অনেক ভালো লাগবে, তাহলে বোঝা যাবে স্পষ্ট। আচ্ছা, ফেস্টিভ্যাল অ্যাক্ট লাইক স্টেটস religious and help us balance our emotion, more positivity, nationality, lots negativity. It also provides an opportunity to read us fiction and bring stand friends and relatives together in a bond of love. Nothing brings people together as festivals do. They play a pivotal role in nation building. People from every religious, economics, and social background together. Festivals linked with religious, social organization and political process were celebrated. Festival contributed immensely to feeling of social cohesion. Many such celebrations focus on cultural, on economic topic and seek to inform community members of their tradition. They involve community elders sharing stories and experience, setting templates for maintaining unit among families. Festival also stimulates economics activities, science. They provide employment opportunities to people. Eid ul Fitr. This is the most joyful occasion of all. Muslims proves the country. Even the non-Muslims like to join the celebration of Eid with everyone. The holiday comes after the month of Ramadan, where the Muslim believers performed fasting for 30 days. We believe that Eid day is the blessing from Allah to enjoy the achievement after long 3 days. We believe that Eid day is the blessing from Allah to enjoy the active achievement after long 3 days of fasting. In the morning, all the mosque and field fills with people to perform the Eid Salat prior to that they take shower, get ready to wear new Punjabi and pajama and apply perfume. After finishing Eid prayer, they embrace each other and finally leave the Eid gates compound. Then everyone visits their families, neighbors, and relatives and has delicious food. People serve sweet dessert like kinar, pahets, and also honey items like biryani, korma throughout the day. Eid ul Adha. This is another Eid for Muslims where occurs about 2 months after the Eid ul Fitr. Likewise, people perform their Eid Salat in the morning. After returning from mosque, they take some light breakfast. This is the holy Eid where they sacrifice their favorite animals for Allah. The incidents are covered with mostly cows and goats. After slaughtering those, people engage themselves in butchering the meat. Then the meat is distributed in three portions. One is for one another, one is for relatives, and the rest of The path is distributed among four people. By evening, the meat is cooked and people start having them people start having them and enjoy the taste of it. Durga Puja. Durga Puja is an annual festival for Hindu believers. This occasion comes at the Hindu month of Ashin and lasts for 4 days. As you would expect, the event consists of family and social gathering, gifting to each other, lighting and decontouring house are very are very com- are very common. People worship goddess Durga Puja inside themselves. They performs acting, religious singing and dancing and paste powder color on each other takes to bring the celebration mood on every. Eventually, the process ends with idol immersion in the river. Buddha Purnima. Buddha Purnima is celebrated by Buddha descent of the country to celebrate the birthday of Gautam Buddha. Gautam Buddha. They observe it annuity according to the Gergias calendar. On this day, they decorated the Buddhist temples. Finally, the believers attend the prayer, light candles, and recite the three jewels and five precepts. Customs, customs or Barrow Din. Bardin, the big day in Bengali, is celebrated among the Christian community as the birth of Genius Christus. It is an annual occasion observed on 25th December. On this day, Christian people decorated their houses beautifully with lights, flowers, and ribbons. They made or both Christians theory from shops. Delicious food one cooked. In fact, a great dinner is organized at night. Neighbors and relatives come to visit Santa Santa Claus, known as Father Christmas, arrives at home wearing wearing a red gown and spectacles with a long white beard. Children love him as he brings gifts for them, wrapped in colorful paper. Pohela Boishakh, one of the cultures that Bengali people have been following with zeal for countries is Pohela Boishakh. This is the first day of Bengali New Year and the most popular occasion in Bangladesh. Both men and women are dressed in red and white. Girls wear chains with colorful bangles and boys wear Punjabi. They make various activities in many places throughout the day. At the fair, the shopkeepers present Bengali foods like panta ilish, various pitas, candy, flowers, etc. in front of the visitors. Nagardola is set for amusement. Meanwhile, the singers sing folk songs under Battola. Pohela Phalgun. Pohela Phalgun is one of the most popular days in Bengali culture. Generally, this day is on the 13th of February of the year. This is the first day of spring. People welcome this day wearing yellow and white. Some people buy flowers and present those to their loved ones. Bengali women set flower crowns around their heads. They like to use a variety of flowers, but majorly marigold as it has the color of spring. People play the most beautiful spring songs. Basanti is gets everywhere from the morning. এই হচ্ছে দশম শ্রেণীর দ্বিতীয় সপ্তাহের ইংলিশ অ্যাসাইনমেন্টের অ্যান্সার। তো তোমরা জানো যে ষষ্ঠ শ্রেণী থেকে একাদশ শ্রেণী পর্যন্ত আমি তোমাদের অ্যাসাইনমেন্ট দিয়ে থাকি। তো আমার অ্যাসাইনমেন্টটি পেতে যারা এখনও আমার চ্যানেলটি সাবস্ক্রাইব করোনি অবশ্যই চ্যানেলটি সাবস্ক্রাইব করে রাখবা। আল্লাহ হাফেজ।